Hey guys, Sam here from keycommerce.com. Man, I'm hearing that a lot of dropshipping stores are having high refund and return rates. It's insane. Some stores even have up to 30 to 40% of their orders, the customers requesting a refund. Like, what? How is this possible? It's blowing my mind. Why is it that none of my client stores, or none of the stores that I'm working with, have these high refund and return rates? Refund and chargeback rates so high that you risk getting banned by your payment processor, which is absolute hell when that happens, mind you. And I can't imagine the pain that you're dealing with in terms of customer support, dealing with all these refunds, returns, and chargebacks. Seriously, you think that you've made all these sales, you've made all this money, all this profit, and then they come back and say, no, that was a terrible product, we want our money back. It's taken away from you, withdrawn from your account right before your eyes. And there are two big reasons why people have these high refund rates. One, your product sucks. This means that you have a bad buying experience, you have long shipping times, a terrible unboxing experience, and just the quality of the product is really low. And two, your website copy sucks. You're setting really high expectations for your product, and that product just doesn't meet them when the customer gets their order. And a lot of beginners have these two problems. And honestly, it's not that hard to fix. And once you make this mistake, you're not gonna make it again. Okay, first, let's make sure that your product is good. If you're drop shipping, guys, you need to make sure that whatever you're sending to those customers is actually good. If you go to AliExpress, choose a cheap product, mark it up by 40%, and then just get it sent to the customer, you're taking a huge risk. Check the reviews. So many of these products are absolutely terrible and people hate them. Why are you destroying your brand by selling these products? Even if they have no bad reviews on AliExpress, don't risk selling a product you haven't actually seen yourself. You have no idea what your customers are getting, and you're letting a random supplier send something to your customer. Who knows what they could put in their packaging, and your name, your brand is responsible for this. Man, it's absolutely crazy. You really need to do everything you can to create the best buying experience possible. Sell high quality products at the right price. Don't have shipping times that take weeks and weeks to arrive for the customer. Guys, we're in the 20s now, 2020 and onwards, and people don't want to wait weeks to get their product. They want that product yesterday. I also recommend getting custom boxing, custom packaging, and custom labeling done with your supplier, even if you're drop shipping. Yes, and this is entirely possible. Find a way to get your brand on that product, even if it means you go to Vistaprint and get a lot of labels printed and send them to your supplier to actually put on the product, a tag or what have you. Okay guys, the next thing is setting expectations. This is what you actually put on your website. I see a lot of product pages for dropshipping stores. They come to me for help and they're just overhyping this product. It solves all your problems. It's a miracle cure. It's the best thing you'll ever buy in your whole life. And they set these really high expectations. So the customer is obviously very excited to receive the product, but when they actually get the product, they find that it's incredibly low quality, it breaks, it's broken already, it's dirty, all these problems. So of course, they feel scammed. They were oversold. What they received did not even touch their expectations. So they request a refund or they charge back on their card. They feel like they got scammed. They paid this money and didn't get the value that they expected. And honestly, this isn't the customer's fault. You can't blame the customer for having high expectations when your product page oversells it with all these fake reviews and all the, guys, you gotta be very, very careful. If your product is incredible, then go ahead and sell it. It's incredible. Show that on your product page. I work with a bunch of stores that have incredible products. They've really optimize this product and the buying experience so it's incredible. And they show that on their product pages. And you know what? They sell a lot of products and they have very few refunds or chargebacks at all. They have fast shipping, a great unboxing experience, and their products work well. They do exactly what they promise and their customers are happy. One last thing I'll say, guys, is that refunds and returns, it's actually a form of feedback that you're getting from the market from your customers. If 30% of your customer base is requesting a refund, then that's clearly saying that something is wrong with what you're doing. You can ignore them and try and push on, or you can stop and fix the problem. Trust me, this is so important. When you run a good business that does what it promises, it makes a world of difference in terms of your growth, your brand, and your profitability. Your customers are gonna love what you sell. They're gonna love what they bought, and they're gonna tell other people about it. And I talk about this in a lot of the videos on my channel about this impact of having a strong brand, because you pay all this money to acquire your customers on Google and Facebook. But once you get these customers that then want to tell people about your brand, it's like creating an army of all these little marketers that go out into the world, and suddenly you get all these sales from direct traffic, people just putting your URL into their browser and buying your stuff. And this is how these stores grow really quickly. It's pretty insane. Yeah, you can spend a lot of money on Facebook and Google ads. That's putting fuel on the fire. But when you have a good product, a good brand experience, all those people that come through your funnel and touch your store in any way, man, it just splays out just with all these new orders. It's amazing, guys. That's it for this video, guys. Hope that was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. You know how it is. Tell that algorithm that I'm making good stuff for you guys. And let me know in the comments below. Let me know, is there any other videos that you want me to make? I'm making 2 videos a week right now, really getting that content out to you guys to help you grow your stores. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, I really recommend you do so and turn on notifications, just because I'm putting out regular content for you guys. It's gonna be incredibly useful for you as you grow your store. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.